Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye and welcome to my channel. Today I am opening another mystery item. I believe this came from eBay or Mercari, but we shall see in just a moment. And I hope I'm not cutting anything. So we are finding out together what's inside, because this came with some other boxes, so I really don't know what it is. Isn't that exciting? Ooh, it's big, whatever it is. I don't remember ordering a big item, but let's see. At least it was packaged well. The box wasn't really beat up, and they have it in the mailer as well, so that's good. A good sign. It feels heavy. Okay, it's definitely a Dooney Bourke item. You can tell by the dust bag. Okay. I know. I was like, I really don't remember ordering anything this heavy. Okay, y'all. So this is Florentine. This is a tote. And this is, I'll probably just leave the camera there. This is my favorite silhouette in a tote, in a Florentine tote. Okay. Package not too bad. Let me smell it, see if it still smells like Florentine. It does. Oh, it smells good, y'all. Okay. So, since this is a tote, I will have this particular video for October. This is a Dooney Bourke Florentine convertible. I think it's a convertible shopper. I know it's a convertible, but we're going to call it a convertible shopper. So, I was introduced to this bag on QVC, and I was able to snag one initially in the color taupe, light taupe, I believe. And I really want red. I wanted other colors, so I don't think it's on QVC anymore. Sometimes they bring it back, but this one was on there so long. And y'all, to me, they advertised it not in the best way, because the pictures itself were just like this. And so for the longest, I would just scroll past the picture because I was like, well, I can't really do much with that. And they really should have had the pictures with it open like this, because to me, it gives the look of a really rich looking, maybe a Neverfull type of silhouette. I don't even know if that's fully in the shot. Let me see. You can see the top of it. Let me see if I can adjust it at all to see the full bag. But y'all, this bag, and this is in the color black. I also have it in navy and light taupe. But this is black. And the shoulder drop on this purse is perfect. The size itself can hold a lot. You can use this bag as an overnight bag if you want to. But this one is in pretty good condition. I would probably, I'm not sure if you're supposed to condition Florentine. I think it's okay. But I would probably, I would probably do that. But all in all, it looks pretty clean. It does have the normal Dooney Bourke setup with the zipper here on the back. It has the leather Dooney Bourke patch there. Slip pocket in the front of that zipper. That's on the back side. And then on the front side, the slip pocket and a smaller one. And then it's actually another zipper over here. So it has two zippers inside and the key keeper. But y'all, this is a very good size tote to have. And the Florentine leather, and even in black, you see how pretty it is. And this is the bottom. It does have feet. So all in all, it's in pretty good condition. I don't think it was new with tags. I think it was either excellent use condition or good use condition. But to me, it looks good. And this is adjustable as well. I can unbuckle this here and adjust the height of the strap. Or I can believe this will allow me to take the straps off. And it does have a button closure, magnetic closure. So yes, y'all, this is my all-time favorite silhouette of the totes for Dooney Bourke in the Florentine leather. And the front pockets are functional. This goes all the way to the bottom. These are kind of hard to take off, or to open, should I say. But once I got them open on my light tote one, I just left it open. So there it goes. You have to put a little bit of elbow in it to open it up. And then what I did, I just tucked this off in there like that. And I actually just left it open. So that way I can quickly put my cell phone in there. Keys. Anything I wanted to quickly put on the outside of the purse, I could. So yeah, black is about to be carried just in time for October. I hope you all are enjoying the tote season, should I say? Tote time this month. I thought that was a pretty fun hashtag to have, and I am looking forward to seeing everyone's totes, their favorite totes to carry. So this isn't really doing it justice, so you all can see how, I hope that you can tell how big this really is, and why I kind of say it reminds me of the Never Full silhouette, because it kind of, you can go out like that. I never really carry mine with it closed or buckled like it showed. But that's definitely a cute option to have, to be able to hook it like that. But this is usually how I carry it. And then that fold it on the inside. And then look at that beautiful gold hardware. Is that in camera? Okay. I usually fold that on the inside. Keep that like that. On this side, fold that down and carry it just like that. So that's it, y'all. That's my mystery box opening from eBay, and it ended up being a black Dooney Bourke Florentine convertible shopper tote. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, liking, subscribing, commenting, and sharing. I really appreciate it. And as always, have a wonderful day.